The Bermuda Triangle, where ships and souls vanish into mystery. The haunting waters that defy explanation. Imagine this. You're on the open sea, sailing across the glittering Atlantic. The sky is clear, the horizon endless, the waves calm. Your compass points north. Everything feels safe, but looks can be deceiving. Beneath your vessel lies one of the most mysterious regions on Earth, a place where more than 50 ships and aircraft have disappeared. No warning, no wreckage, only silence. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, 500,000 square miles of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, a place where science ends and mystery begins. When Columbus first saw the impossible, the legend began more than 500 years ago. Christopher Columbus sails through these very waters. One night, his men see a great flame of fire crash into the ocean, perhaps a meteor. But to them, it was a sign of doom. Days later, strange lights glow on the horizon. They flicker. They dance. They refuse to vanish. Even worse, the compass begins to fail. The needle spins wildly. Columbus had crossed one of Earth's rare agonic lines, a place where true north and magnetic north perfectly align. Science explains it now, but to sailors then, it was pure terror. This was the first chapter of the Bermuda Triangle's dark story. The Cyclops, a steel giant that vanished. March 4th, 1918, the USS Cyclops departs Barbados, a massive Navy cargo ship over 500 feet long. On board, 306 men and 10,000 tons of ore. It never arrived. No distress call, no debris, no survivors. An entire steel giant, erased from existence. President Woodrow Wilson said it best. Only God and the sea know what happened to the great ship. But the story grows darker. The Cyclops had 3 sister ships. 2 of them also vanished in the triangle. Same waters, same fate. Even the captain was shrouded in mystery. George Worley, cruel, violent, and unstable. Witnesses claimed he patrolled the deck half-dressed, pistol in hand. Rumours of executions, mutiny, madness. But in the end, all we know is silence. Flight 19, pilots lost in the sky, December the 5th, 1945. 5 Avenger bombers take off from Florida. Their leader, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, a decorated combat pilot. The weather is calm. The mission is routine. But soon, something goes terribly wrong. 3:45 p.m. Taylor radios in. We cannot see land. We seem to be off course. Control responds. What is your position? Silence. Then another pilot's voice. We can't find west. Everything is wrong. The ocean looks strange. Minutes later, a final message. We are entering white water. We are completely lost. Then, nothing. Search planes are launched. One of them vanishes too. In total, 6 planes, 27 men, all gone. No wreckage, no bodies, no answers. The Navy's final report said it all. It was as if they had flown to Mars. The legend grows stories like these spread across the world. By the 1960s, it had a name, the Bermuda Triangle. Books, films, documentaries, each more terrifying than the last. Some spoke of aliens, others of Atlantis, and some claimed time itself warped in these waters. The triangle was no longer just a place, it was legend. Science versus superstition. Today, scientists believe they have answers. Rogue waves, walls of water rising over 100 feet high, strong enough to snap a ship in two. Methane eruptions, gas exploding from the seafloor, causing ships to sink instantly. Magnetic anomalies, compasses spinning out of control. Hexagonal storms, air blasts so violent they can smash a plane from the sky. The Gulf Stream, a powerful current sweeping away every trace of disaster. Science explains much, but not everything. Why did Flight 19 report an ocean that looked strange? Why was no trace of the Cyclops ever found? Some mysteries remain untouched. The Triangle today. Every year, thousands of ships and planes cross the Triangle. Most make it safely, but not all. Small boats vanish, pilots radio in panic, then are never heard from again. The Coast Guard says the Triangle is no more dangerous than any other ocean. Lloyd's of London refuses to call it a risk. And yet, the stories persist, because the mystery refuses to die. The eternal question. So what is the Bermuda Triangle? A deadly mix of natural forces, or something far stranger? Maybe the truth lies in between. Maybe science can explain some, but not all. Because what we know is this: the Triangle has claimed countless ships, countless lives. It continues to haunt our imagination. So the next time you fly above those waters, or sail into that endless blue, remember the final words of Flight 19. We are completely lost. And remember President Wilson's haunting warning. Only God and the sea know what happened. The Bermuda Triangle keeps its secrets, and maybe it always will. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more stories.